Want to clean up your Telegram contacts and remove someone from your list, but not sure how to do it in 2024? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest, most up-to-date method for deleting a contact directly from the Telegram app. No need to mess with your phone's address book or juggle complicated settings. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove any contact from Telegram, keep your list organized, and understand what happens after you hit delete. Alright, let's dive straight in. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Telegram. This is important because older versions might handle contacts differently. Telegram has continued to evolve, and now it lets you manage contacts from within the app itself, not just through your phone's address book. This means there's less worrying about accidentally deleting someone from your whole phone, and more control right where you want it. So let's start by opening the Telegram app on your device. It works the same whether you're on iOS or Android. Once you've got it open, look for the Contacts section. On some devices, this is a tab at the bottom of the screen, while on others you might need to tap into the main menu. Just keep your eyes peeled for a little icon that looks like a head and shoulders, or it might actually say Contacts. Now scroll through your contact list until you spot the person you want to delete. Take your time if you have a lot of contacts. It can sometimes be tricky if you haven't labeled someone clearly or if you're using usernames instead of saved names. When you find the right contact, tap on their name. This will open up their profile or chat screen. Here's a tip. If you're not sure it's the right person, glance at their profile photo or last chatted message just to double check. It's always better to be certain before you hit delete. At the very top of the chat or profile screen, tap on their profile picture or their name again. This pulls up their detailed profile settings. Think of it as looking behind the scenes of your connection with them. Now, depending on your device, you'll see a slightly different interface. On iOS, there should be an edit button usually in the top right corner. On Android devices, look for the familiar three dots menu, also in the top right. Tap on that and you'll get a list of actions you can take with this contact. Among the options, you'll spot Delete Contact. Go ahead and tap that. Telegram will prompt you to confirm. This is a little safety net to make sure you don't remove someone by accident. Take a second to read the prompt, then hit confirm if you're sure. And that's it, the contact is now gone from your Telegram list. But what does this actually do? It's helpful to know that your chat history with this person will still be there, so if you've had conversations in the past, you can still access them. The main difference is their name will change to just their phone number or username in your chat list, unless you save them again later. This is a good way to clean up your contact list without erasing important messages. If you run into any issues like not seeing the delete option, double-check that you're managing Telegram contacts, not just your phone's contacts, and that you're up to date with the app version. Sometimes this small update makes all the difference. Congratulations, you've now learned how to easily remove a Telegram contact while keeping your chats intact. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other Telegram tricks you'd like to see covered. Hit that subscribe button for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.